Hello everyone, my name is Hayden and welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time software engineer currently working remote. In this video tutorial series, we're going to be building a React website with Redux for state management. So let's have a little look at the React app we'll be building. So this is the React app we will be building. It is a baby name generator. You have a first name and a last name, and you can click new name and it will randomly generate names that for your baby. If you want a specific name, for example, I want names beginning with B, I can click B and now it will only give me first names with B. I can switch to girl names and it will give me girl names beginning with B. I can edit the surname. So let's do Robinson here. And you can see I can do this. I can add them to my favorites down here. So let's say I really like this name, I can add to my favorites, which is down here. And this has a list of all the historic names that we've added. So let's say Dolly Robinson's also a favorite of mine, and Billy Robinson's also a favorite of mine, and we can keep our favorite names. So we're going to be building this in React, and we're going to be using Redux for state management. So if I come down here and go store.getState, might be a little bit hard for you to see, but you can see we've got a historic names array of 10, which is all our historic names. You can see them here, so all the different names we've got. Filters are in Redux, so saved as is it a boy or is it a girl, and our favorite names are also saved in an array here. So yeah, we'll be building this in React using Redux for state management, so that all the components can have different state and they know about what is the filtered first name, is it a boy, is it a girl, what is the current surname, storing historic names and storing favorite names. So that will be the app that we're building in this tutorial series. I'll be breaking the videos up into bite-sized chunks, so each individual bit you can follow along, make it easier to digest. I think this video tutorial series is going to be useful to you. Be sure to subscribe so that when I release the next video, you get the update, and also obviously it helps my channel grow and stuff, so I really appreciate that. Like as well if you can, that would be fantastic. So let's jump over to VS Code now and start coding this up. Okay, so I've just jumped over to a fresh VS Code project here. You can see this is my currently implemented, obviously, app that we built. And all I've done here is done npx create React app to create an empty project. If you don't know how to do that, I've got a video of that on my channel and I will link that in the description for you to check out. And then once you've followed that video, you'll get to this point here. So once we've got here, we can just do npm I and npm start, and that will install all our dependencies and start running our app. Cool, there we go. So all of the dependencies have now been installed and we are ready to start developing our app. Okay, so there's a couple of things I just want to do before we finish this video is I just want to tidy up the kind of create React app stuff that we don't really need. So if you go into source, you can get rid of app test logo.cs. So if you right click these and delete, app test can go, logo CSV can go, report web vitals can go, and setup tests can go, move all them to the recycling bin. I want to make a folder called components, and I want to put app.js and app.css into there, and then in the root of source should be index.js. In index.js, let's get rid of this comment at the bottom. Let's remove that. What else do we need to get rid of? Move into, import app from, come into here, get rid of logo.csv, that doesn't exist anymore. So we need to go in index.js, and this is moved into /components.app.jsx, and then go into app.css and get rid of logo. We can basically just get rid of all of this actually. Let's just delete. The only thing you'll need is text align. And what's this combining error module failed? No such file directory open. Don't think it is it? Yeah, there we go, cool. Just refresh the page and you're good to go. Then no more changes. Yeah, so you basically got, in your source, you've got index.js and index.css look like that. And then in components, you have app.js and app.css. And in fact, what we can do is, yeah, keep them like that. So cool, you should just basically have a blank page that looks like this at the minute, and if you've done that, you should be good to go. Okay, cool. So if you're there and you've set up your project, you should be good to go now. In the next video, we'll build the homepage for the buttons on it and implement the designs. I want to keep these videos short and sweet, so there's not like, 10, 15 minute long videos that you have to consume in one go. Hopefully these should be a lot quicker and shorter. Be sure to subscribe to stay tuned for when I post the next video, and like and comment to let me know your thoughts on this. I'll be interested to see what you build, so obviously leave a comment down below of your GitHub link when you've made it, and the GitHub link for all this code will be in the video description for you to check out as well. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.